Meaning of deceit.
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 Deceit. Deceit refers to the act of deceiving or misleading someone through lies, trickery, or dishonesty. It involves intentionally concealing the truth, presenting false information, or manipulating situations to gain an advantage or avoid negative consequences. The result of deceit can be harmful to both the person being deceived and the deceiver, as it can damage trust, relationships, and reputation. Deceitful behavior often leads to feelings of betrayal, anger, and disappointment, and can have significant consequences in personal and professional settings.